Yes. Okay, good morning, students, and welcome to our math class. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. We had problems with Zoom. Okay, so yesterday we discussed about problem solving, right? And I also gave you a homework. So everybody get your homework, open your math workbook on page number 29 and 30. Try mine. Let me share the page. Hold on. Just give me 1 second, class. Pete,
Yes.
Pete, do you know the page of the homework yesterday? Okay, so this one. So this was our homework, right? Okay, so class, I'm going to read first and I will let someone to read after, okay? All right, so number 2, everybody listen. Jean started jogging at 8:20 a.m. If she stopped jogging at 10:05 a.m., how long did she jog for? Okay, who would like to read for number 2? Boom, can you read number 2, please? Boom, are you there? Can you read number 2? What about Pete? Pete, can you read number 2?
Okay.
Okay, Pete, read number 2.
One hour, 20 minutes to drive to National Science Center.
No, number 2. Number 2, let's try number 3, number 2. Yes.
Okay. Jean started going at
Jogging.
8.
This one is jogging.
Jogging, okay. Jean started jogging at 8:20 a.m. If she
Stop. Jogging. Which I stopped it now. Stopped.
Stop jogging at 10:05 a.m. How long did she jog for?
Okay, so again, Jean started jogging at 8:20 a.m. If she stopped jogging at 10:05 a.m., how long did she jog for? Do you understand number 2? Teacher Gan, can you translate in Thai? Number 2.
เด็กๆได้ยินครูการไหมจ๊ะ
ได้ยินค่ะ
เขาให้ทิเชอร์เขาให้ครูการแปลข้อ2เนาะเขาบอกว่าจีนเนี่ยออกไปจ็อกกิ้งนะคะ ตอนกี่โมงคะ8 โมงเท่าไหร่ลูก8 โมง 20เนาะคือ8 โมงเช้าเนาะแล้วเขาบอกว่า if she stop jogging at 10:05 p.m. เนี่ยก็คือถ้าสมมติว่าหล่อนเนี่ยหยุดจ็อกกิ้งคือเหมือนแบบออกไปออกกำลังกายอย่างเงี้ยตอน 10:05 ก็คือ how long did she jog for ก็คือเขาเนี่ยใช้เวลาเท่าไหร่ในการไปจ็อกกิ้งเด็กๆเข้าใจไหมจ๊ะเข้าใจไหมลูกเข้าใจไหมอันฟ้า
หนูงงอยู่
ก็คือเด็กๆเข้าใจไหมว่าเขาเนี่ยออกไปตอน 8:20 ถูกไหมเราก็นับเวลาไปเลยเพราะว่าเขาเนี่ยจะหยุดออกกำลังกายเนี่ยตอน 10:05 เนาะเขาถามว่าในช่วงเวลา 8:20 ถึง 10:05 เนี่ยมันเป็นเวลาเท่าไหร่คือคิดอย่างเงี้ยลูกว่าเป็นเวลากี่ชั่วโมงที่เขาออกกำลังกายโอเคไหมเข้าใจไหมคะเข้าใจแล้วค่ะโอเค teacher
Okay. Thank you, Teacher Gan. All right, so kids, let's try to answer number 2. I'm gonna show you the solution, okay? So here's the solution. So first is, we will try to write the time that Jin started jogging. So started jogging. What time? Started jogging. What time? Kimo.
20
8:20 a.m. Okay. He started or she started jogging at 8:30 a.m. and then stop jogging. What time? What time she stopped jogging? Class, what time Jean stopped jogging?
10:05 a.m.
Very good, Pete. 10:05 a.m. Now, let's try to see, or let's try to find out how long did she jog for, okay? First is we will make a number line. Okay, number line. So first, we have 8:20. And here, 9:20. And here, 10:20. Okay, from 8:20 to 9:20, this is 1 hour. So from 8:20 to 9:20, it's 1 hour. So we still have like this time, 10:05. So here is 25, Jemai, because this one is 9:20. So we will count forward. This is one is 9:25, 9:30, 9:35, 9:40, 9:45, 9:50, 9:55, and 10. So this one is 10 a.m., right? So this one is 10:05, 10, 10, 10, 15, and 10:20. So now we will count the minutes from here up to 10:05. So 10:05 is over here, Chemai. This one is 10:05. This one over here is 10. This one is 10:05. So we will find out, or we will try to count how many minutes from 9:20 to 10:05. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So that is 45 minutes. So how long did she jog for? The answer is 1 hour and 45 minutes. So the answer is 1 hour and 45 minutes. Who got the correct answer? Do you have the same answer with Teacher Maria? Yes or no? Who got the correct answer? Raise your hand. Boom, very good. Who else? Pete, very good. Alpha, what is your answer? No? What about the others? Okay, so the answer for number 2 is 1 hour and 45 minutes. Do you understand? Okay, let's try to answer number 3. Let's answer number 3 now. Okay, I'm going to read first and then I will let someone to read after me. Number 3, Mr. Kwan took 1 hour, 20 minutes to drive to National Science Center from his house. Then he had lunch for 45 minutes and stayed at the Science Center for 2 hours and 45 minutes. If he left the Science Center at 4:55 p.m., what time did he start driving to the Science Center? Okay, who would like to read? Raise your hand. Who wants to read? Okay, I'm gonna call Boom. Boom, can you read number 3, please?
Someone took 1 hour 20 minutes to drive
National
Science
Center
Center from his house. Then he had lunch for 45 minutes and stays at the Science Centers for 2 hours 45 minutes. If he left the Science Centers at 4:55 p.m., what time did he start driving to the Science Center?
Okay, I'm gonna read one more time. Mr. Kwan took 1 hour, 20 minutes to drive to National Science Center from his house. Then he had lunch for 45 minutes and stayed at the Science Center for 2 hours, 45 minutes. If he left the Science Center at 4:55 p.m., what time did he start driving to the Science Center? Teacher Gan, can you translate it in Thai, please?
โอเค teacher เด็กๆเขาบอกว่า Mr. Kwan took 1 hour 20 minutes not to drive to National Science Center from his house นะคะ ก็คือ Mr. Kwan เนี่ยเขาเนาะใช้เวลากี่ชั่วโมงลูก 1 ชั่วโมง 20 นาทีนะคะ ในการขับรถนะคะไปที่ไหนคะเด็กๆ ศูนย์อะไรลูก ศูนย์วิทยาศาสตร์แห่งชาติเนาะจากบ้านของเขานะคะคือจากบ้านของเขาไปศูนย์วิทยาศาสตร์แห่งชาติเนี่ย1 ชั่วโมง 20 นาทีเนาะโอเคแล้วก็ then he has lunch for 45 minutes and stay at the science center for 2 hours 45 minutes เนาะก็คือแล้วเนี่ยเขาเนาะก็ had lunch ก็คือกินอะไรคะอาหารกลางวันนะ45 นาทีนะคะแล้วก็อยู่ที่ศูนย์วิทยาศาสตร์แห่งชาติเนี่ยอีก2 ชั่วโมง 45 นาทีเนาะโอเคไหมเข้าใจไหมลูกเขาเนี่ยออกจากบ้านนะมาศูนย์วิทยาศาสตร์แห่งชาติเนี่ยใช้เวลาขับรถ1 ชั่วโมง 20ใช่ไหมแล้วเขาก็ไปกินข้าวอีก45 นาทีแล้วเขาก็อยู่ที่ศูนย์วิทยาศาสตร์แห่งชาติอีก2 ชั่วโมง 45 นาทีนะคะ แล้วก็ if he left the science center at 4:55 p.m. เนี่ยก็คือถ้าเขาเนี่ยออกจากศูนย์วิทยาศาสตร์แห่งชาติเนี่ยตอนกี่โมงคะ4:55ก็คือ4โมงเย็นแล้วนะ4:55ปุ๊บเนี่ย what time did he start driving to the science center ก็คืออะไรคะเวลากี่โมงนะที่เขาขับรถไปที่ศูนย์วิทยาศาสตร์ก็คือเป็นเวลาเริ่มต้นทั้งหมดเลยนะคะเด็กๆเข้าใจไหมจ๊ะเข้าใจไหมลูกโจทย์อาจจะยาวนิดนึงแต่ทีเชอร์น่าจะอธิบายทีละสเต็ปเนาะเด็กๆเข้าใจไหมคะใครไม่เข้าใจให้บอกเลยนะโอเคไหมโอเคไหมคะ
All right,
Okay,
so
teacher, student confused มากเลยอ่ะ
it's okay. Thank you
Okay,
so much,
teacher.
Teacher Gun. All right, so kids,
Okay.
listen. First is we have to write the involved time, okay? First is 1 hour and 20 minutes. So this is Mr. Kwan took to drive. Again, 1 hour and 20 minutes, Mr. Kwan took to drive. And then 45 minutes. 45 minutes, what is this? 45 minutes, alay. So 45 minutes is lunch. Mr. Kwan had his lunch, Shamai, 45 minutes. And what about 2 hours and 45 minutes? What's this? What is 2 hours and 45 minutes?
So
What is 2 hours and 45 minutes?
Science Center.
Ah, yes. Mr. Kwan stayed, Shamai,
Yes.
stayed at Science Center. SC is Science Center because it's too long if I'm going to write. So 2 hours and 45 minutes. Again, 1 hour, 20 minutes, Mr. Kwan took to drive to National Science Center. 45 minutes, lunch. 2 hours and 45 minutes, Mr. Kwan stayed at Science Center. Now, we have 4:55. What is 4:55 p.m. class? 4:55, alay. 4:55 p.m. Mr. Kwan left the Science Center. Okay, 4:55 p.m. Mr. Kwan left the Science Center. So first, 1 hour, 20 minutes, 45 minutes, and 2 hours and 45 minutes. We will add this one, okay? We will add this one, like 1 hour, 20 minutes, plus 45 minutes, plus 2 hour and 45 minutes. So we will count the hours first. 1 hour plus 2 hours. 1 hour plus 2 hours. What is the answer? One hour plus 2 hours is equals to 3 hours, right? So we will add first the hours. Now we still have 20 minutes, 45 minutes, and another 45 minutes. So let's try to add 20 minutes plus 45 minutes plus 45 minutes. How much? 20 minutes plus 45 minutes plus 45 minutes.
One hundred 10.
Very good, Pete. It's 110 minutes. Now, how many hour in 110 minutes? 1 hour. So we will add another 1 hour here, Chamay. So how many minutes left if we will take 1 hour from here?
50.
Again, Pete, how many minutes left if we take 1 hour? Very good. That's 50 minutes. So the answer for this problem is 3 hours plus 1 hour is 4 hours plus 50 minutes, Shemai. So the answer for this problem is this one. What time did he start driving to the science center? So we have 4 hours and 50 minutes, but we will use this to identify the time that he started driving back to the science center. So let's make a number line. Let's make a number line, huh? Okay, first is we will write the time 4:55 p.m. 4:55 p.m. And here 3:55 p.m. And here 2:55 p.m. And here 1:55 p.m. And here 12:55 p.m. And here is 11:55 a.m. Okay, so 4:55 p.m., this is the time that Mr. Kwan left Science Center, Chaimai. So let's count. We have 4 hours and 50 minutes, right? So let's count here. 1 hour. So we will counting backward. This one, another 1 hour. From 2:55 to 1:55 is another 1 hour. So from 1:55 to 12:55 is another 1 hour. So 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. That's 4 hours, Shemai. So we still have 50 minutes. So we will count backward for 50 minutes, okay? So we have 12:55. I need 12:55, Shemai. So this one is 12:50. Oh, machay. Here is 12:50, 12. 45, 12, 40, 12, 35, 12, 30, 12, 25, 12, 20, 12, 15. Let's move over here. Again, so we have 12:55 Chemai, so 12:50, 12:45, 12:40, 12:35, 12:30, 12:25, 12:20, 12:15, 12:10, 12:05, and 12. So this one is 12, right? Now let's count 50 minutes from here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So over here is the 50 minutes from this one. This is 50 minutes. So we stop right here, right? So the time over here is 12:05. So the answer for number 3 is 12:05 p.m. So that's the start. I mean, this is the time that Mr. Kwan start driving to the Science Center. So again, so from 4:45 p.m. to 3:55, that's 1 hour. And then from 3:55 to 2:55, that's another 1 hour. From 2:55 to 1:55, that's another 1 hour. From 1:55 to 12:55, that's another 1 hour. So this is already 4 hours and 50 minutes. So we will count backwards. So from here, 12:55, Chemai. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So the time here is 12:05, which is 50 minutes, right? So the answer for problem number 3 is 12:05. Do you understand, class? Let me put it closer. So the answer for number 2 is 12:05. Who has the same answer? Do you have the same answer with me? Who got 12:04? Who got the correct answer? 12:05. Boom, what's your answer? Pete, what's your answer? Alpha. Is it the same? 12:05. Oh, this one is AM. Do you understand, class? I know it's difficult now. Okay, I will give another example. Let's try to answer this example. Hold on. Give me 1 second. All right, let's try to answer this one. I made another example. Okay, so here, Kate started swimming at 7:20 a.m. If she stopped swimming at 9:05 a.m., how long did she swim for? Teacher Gan, can you translate it in Thai?
โอเคทีเชอร์เด็กข้อนี้นะเขาบอกว่า โอเค start swimming at 7:20 a.m. แปลว่าอะไรลูก เคทำไมคะ เริ่มทำไม swimming คืออะไรคะลูก
ว่ายน้ำค่ะ
เริ่มว่ายน้ำตอนกี่โมง 7:20 เนาะเขาบอกว่า if she stopped swimming at 9:05 a.m. ก็คืออะไรคะ ถ้าหล่อนเนี่ยหยุดอะไร หยุดว่ายน้ำตอนกี่โมงคะ
9:05 ค่ะ
ถ้าเขาหยุดว่ายน้ำตอน 9:05 เนี่ย how long did she swim for ก็คือเขาใช้เวลาเท่าไหร่เนาะในการว่ายน้ำโอเคเข้าใจไหมคะ โอเค
เข้าใจ
ทิเชอร์
Okay.
student โอเคแล้ว
Thank you, Teacher Gan. Thank you so much. All right. So class, let's write first the involved time. So 7:20 a.m. Kate started swimming. ใช่ไหม Started swimming.
7
And 9:05 a.m. Stop. Very good.
swimming.
Stop swimming. Now, how long did she swim for? So let's write a number line again. So we write here, we will start with 7:20 a.m. And then, what's the answer, Pete?
2 hour 15 minutes.
Jinglo, let's try to check. 7:20 and then 8:20 and 9:20. All right, so 7:20 a.m. Kate started swimming, this one, right? And then she stopped swimming at 9:05. So where's 9:05? So this is 9:20, Chaimai. So we will count backward. 9:15, 9:10, 9:05. So this one is 9:05. Chaimai? Because this one is 9:20, so we count backward. 9:15, 9:10, and 9:05. So how long from here up to here, how long did he swim for? So this one, 1 hour. Now, how many minutes from here up to here? Taulay nati. So let's count now. This one is 8:20, Chaimai. Let's count 25, because this one is 8:20. This one 8:25. 8:30.
35
8:35.
35
8:40.
8:45
45.
8:50
8:50.
8:55
What's next?
8:55
Again, 8:20, Chaimai. 8:25. 8:30. 8:35. 8:40. 8:45. 8:50. 8:55 and
1 hour
9.
and 9.
Okay, so this one is 9. And here is 9:05. Now let's count how many minutes. Okay, let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. We stop here. We stop here, Chamay. So how many minutes, class? Taulay natin. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45.
45.
Very good. So it's
45.
45 minutes. Pete, the answer is 45 minutes. So 1 hour and 45 minutes. This is the time that Kate swim. So she started swimming at 7:20 and she stopped at 7:05. So this one right here is 1 hour and 45 minutes. Do you understand? Okay,
Yes.
I will give you another example. What about, I'm gonna change the time now and you try to answer. I'm gonna change it to 6:30. Kate started swimming and then she stopped swimming at 8:20. What is the answer? 6:30 a.m. Kate started swimming and 8:20 a.m. she stopped swimming. What is the answer, class? I will give you 5 minutes. Okay, Pete, what is your answer?
1 hour 50 minutes.
1 hour, how many minutes?
50.
50. Okay, let's try to answer. Okay, let's use the number line. Let's check your answer, Pete, if it's correct. So here, 6:30, Chimay, 6:30. And here is 7:30. And here is 8:30. So she stopped at 8:20. So we will start counting backwards. Let's start counting backwards from here, okay? So 8:30,
1 hour.
8:25, and 8:20. So this one is 8:20. So let's find out. So this one 1 hour. How many minutes from here up to 8:20? Let's try.
50.
Okay, 7:30, 7:35, Chamay, 7:40, 7:45, 7:50, 7:55, 45, 40, 50, 55, and then 8:05, 8:10, 8:15, and then 8:20. Let's count the minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Wow, very good, Pete. So the answer is 1 hour and 50 minutes. Very good. Who got the correct answer? 1 hour and 50 minutes. Raise your hands. Who got the correct answer? Pete, Boom. Who else? Only Pete and Boom Law. Okay, another example. What about this one, class? 9, 10. And then she stopped at 11, 15. Okay, 9:10 a.m. Kate started swimming. 11:15 a.m. Kate stopped swimming. So how long did she swim? I'll give you. Okay, Pete.
2 hours 5 minutes.
2 hours and 5 minutes. Are you sure? Pete, are you sure?
Sure.
Okay, let's try to check your answer, okay? Let's use the number line. So we will start with 9, 10, and then 10, 10, and then 11, 10. Okay, so this is the time that Kate started to swim. And then here, we will start counting backward. So this is, we will count another 5 minutes because she stopped at 11:15. So if this is 11:10, so this is gonna be 11, 11. This is 11, 15, I'm sorry, 11:15. So this is already 1 hour. And here, from here, it's another 1 hour. And minutes, this is 5 minutes. So 1 hour plus 1 hour, that's 2 hours plus the 5 minutes, 5 minutes. So Pete's answer is correct. Very good, Pete. Good job. Who got the correct answer? Raise your hand. Who understand? Kaujay Mai?
เข้าใจมาก
Yes.
Very good, Pete. Boom. Who else? Okay. Yes or no? Okay, thank you. That's all for today, students. And thank you, class.
Thank you, teacher.
teacher
Thank
Okay.
you, teacher.
Thank you. Bye.
ทีเชอร์บ๊ายบาย
Bye.
Thank you, teacher. Bye.